Hi guys, and welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to delete all posts on your Facebook account. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So if you want to delete all posts on your Facebook account, you can follow these steps. Now open up your Facebook in web browser. And make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, make sure that it is on desktop mode. Then, on the upper right corner, press your profile. And now you'll be redirected to your profile. Now, you can see here down on the right side, press Manage Post. And you can see here all the posts. And press Filters. So, to use the filters to find posts on your timeline, and this will not affect how others see your timeline. So, it will be all posts. Now, select all the posts that you want to delete by clicking on the checkbox located at the top of the post list. Now, once you've selected all the posts you want to delete, click on Clear. So, it will be delete. And press Done if you want to confirm it. So, just repeat the process for all the posts you want to delete until you have deleted all the posts on your account. Please take note that deleting all their posts will permanently remove them from your account and you will not be able to recover them once they are deleted. Therefore, it's advisable to create a backup of your posts before deleting them. And if you want to keep a copy for your records. So, that's it. That's how you delete all posts on your Facebook account. I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions, can you put it in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks!